So you send your first outreach email. Congratulations. Killer offer, personalized opener, but still not getting any responses. I mean, why? Because the truth is that the game is not won in the first email, it is won in the follow up. See, 44% of the people give up after sending their first outreach email, while the stat says that 80% of the deals are closed after 5 to 12 touch points. Meaning, you have to try to re engage with the particular prospect or the lead that you're trying to approach. The thing is that, of course, there are chances कि आपको response मिलेगा after sending your first outreach email, but the thing is that there are factors that says that you may not get the response. Problem क्या है? Every single day your particular prospects are getting tons of email, and उन tons of emails के अंदर में आपके emails दब कर रह सकते हैं, and therefore it is a big need that you try to re-engage that particular prospect, and this is where follow-up email comes. This is the strategy that today we are going to discuss, and by the end of this video, if you really implement each and everything that I have mentioned here, you are going to get way better responses than ever. So stay up and let's get you more and more responses.
Alright, so we are here with the follow-up strategy for cold emails by Merck Media. Alright, so today we are going to discuss mainly about follow-up emails, why follow-up email works, their strategy overview, and overall we are going to break down the total scripts and all. And at the end, I would give you few final tips that would help you. Alright, which is additional. Alright, so before getting into the structure, we would get back on it. I would like to talk about why follow-up email work. All right. So first of all, let me tell you, let me remind you, follow-up email होते क्या है, ठीक है? So after sending your first outreach email, as I told you that it has chances that you will get response, but कभी कभार क्या होता है कि due to few factors like your prospect or lead could be busy और उन्हें हर दिन tons of emails आते हैं, alright? So उन emails के नीचे आपके ईमेल्स दब कर रह सकते हैं और मे बी योर ईमेल इज ओपन एंड योर प्रोस्पेक्ट थॉट दैट दे वुड गेट बैक ऑन यू लेटर बट दे फॉरगॉट, ठीक है? एंड देयरफॉर इट इज अ बिग नीड दैट वी नीड टू रिमाइंड देम. Alright, so this is why it said that most people are not ignoring you, they are just distracted, they are just busy. Alright, so as already mentioned that 80% of the stats says that, I mean stat says that 80% of the deals are closed after 5 to 12 touch points. All right, and also there is a kind of a myth that says key follow-up emails are kind of very pushy and too much salesy, but if you get things right, if you maintain that you know what I'm trying to say, if you maintain your tone, everything, if you keep low pressure, if you give your prospect, your lead a space to decide, and you don't push too much, all right, you focus on your value, then of course follow-up emails are going to be the best thing. All right, and let me tell you that मैंने अभी तक जितने भी मुझे responses आए हैं, mostly like 70 to 80% of them were from follow-up emails. All right, so overall, these follow-up emails they help us re-engage with the prospect or the lead. So this is the main purpose of follow-up emails. ठीक है? Now let's discuss about the structure and three more things. First of all, the first thing is key. Here today I would be discussing the script and all the structure, and मैंने यहाँ पे चार एग्जांपल्स लिए हैं like follow up 1, follow up 2, follow up 3 and follow up 4. Why? Because I personally do four follow up emails, ठीक है? Like if we include the outreach, first outreach email, then overall 5 emails per prospect, ठीक है? And I guess that is enough. So you could add up if you think that you are going to send 5 follow up emails, 6, 7, whatever you could. And the second thing is in each follow-up email things are kind of will be same. All right, see, as I already told you that follow-up email is a way, is it is a thing that where we try to re-engage. All right, we remind the prospect, we remind the lead, and what we are going to remind them of, our value that we are providing, the deals, the offers, everything. All right, so हम हर एक follow-up email में एक ही चीज के बारे में बात करेंगे. We are going to summarize each and everything. All right. कहने का तरीका अलग हो सकता है. We would come up with different excuses, I mean different things to talk about, बट मेनली जो चीजें हैं वो सेम ही रहने वाली हैं. ऑल राइट. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम हर एक फॉलो अप में क्या ही करेंगे. We would talk about the value that we are going to provide. We would also talk about the samples, trials, high discount trials if you are ready to give, and we are going to connect with them and all. So this is the thing. Alright, so don't expect कि बहुत ज़्यादा ही extraordinary आपको करना पड़ेगा. You have to keep things simple. मेनली आपको समराइज ही करना है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट आउटरीच में आपने जितना भी कहा था, हर एक फॉलो अप ईमेल में वही बस चीजें समराइज होंगी एक रिमाइंडर के तौर पर. ऑलराइट. So this was the second thing. Thirdly, it is a thing. It's not like कि आपको follow up email भेजना है. That means you are going to send emails individually. Like you are going to send 5 emails, including the first outreach email to each client. No, it's not going to be like that. It's kind of a string. Let me show you. So here it is. Let's say that here is my prospect Sarah. All right, and I have sent her almost one, two, three, four, total 5 emails, 4 follow-up emails, and 1 outreach email. So here we go. So this was the first outreach email that I sent her. I didn't got the reply. I sent samples as well. Then again I sent follow-up one. All right, I didn't got the reply from follow-up one. Then I sent follow-up two here. ठीक है. Now I didn't got the reply again, and this is follow-up 3, एंड लास्टली इट इज फॉलो अप 4. अब होता क्या है कि जैसे ही आप अपना फर्स्ट आउटरीच ईमेल सेंड करोगे, यू विल गेट एन ऑप्शन दिस रिप्लाई. आपको बस यहाँ पे टैप करना है, और वट एवर योर स्क्रिप्ट इज यू हैव टू जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट, चेंज द नेम एंड एवरीथिंग. और ये हर एक फॉलो अप ईमेल में होगा. आपने फर्स्ट आउटरीच भेजा, उसके नीचे रिप्लाई बटन आया, आपने कुछ दिन बाद फॉलो अप वन भेजा, फॉलो अप वन में रिप्लाई नहीं आया, फॉलो अप वन के नीचे ये रिप्लाई का आइकन आएगा, फिर वापस आपने टैप किया, आपने फॉलो अप टू भेजा, ऐसे फॉलो अप 3 and 4 and 5, वट एवर द नंबर ऑफ फॉलो अप ईमेल्स यू आर गोइंग टू सेंड. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू. एंड लास्टली द थिंग इज कि इट डिपेंड्स कि आपको कितने फॉलो अप ईमेल्स भेजने हैं. इफ यू वांट टू सेंड 5 फॉलो अप ईमेल्स, then it's good. But I think 4 follow-up emails plus one first outreach email is enough. All right. And this is the thing. So let's get into the structure. So here it is, follow-up one, reminder plus value restate. The timing will be, you are going to send your first follow-up email 2 days after you send your first outreach email. ठीक है, आपने अपना पहला आउटरीच ईमेल भेजा, उसके 2 दिन बाद आपको अपना फर्स्ट फॉलो अप ईमेल ड्रॉप करना है इफ यू डोंट गेट दी रिप्लाई. ऑलराइट. ठीक है. What is going to be the format? The format going to be very simple. Warm greetings, reminder of previous conversation, re-emphasize your value. Like for example, I provide thumbnails, then it would be click-inducing, algorithm-friendly thumbnails. Ask if they reviewed your samples, if you have sent your samples or portfolio. You can offer a low investment trial, close up with appreciation. All right. Now, follow up two. When you're going to send your follow up two, 3 days after you send your follow up one. So you send your first follow up email, and after 3 days of sending it, you are going to send your follow up two. All right. Checking interest plus soft कॉल टू एक्शन. व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द फॉर्मेट? ऑलमोस्ट सारी चीजें सेम ही रहने वाली है, बस कहने का तरीका अलग होगा. लाइट चेक इन, रीस्टेट कोर बेनिफिट, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन, एज इफ दे आर ओपन, आस्क इफ दे आर ओपन फॉर क्विक कॉल और चैट, कीप इट लो प्रेशर एंड ईजी. ऑलराइट. सो अभी हम बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ही देख रहे हैं. लेटर ऑन आई हैव सम एग्जांपल्स एज वेल, सो डोंट वरी, यू वुड रिलेट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. फॉलो अप 3, इमोशनल एंगल प्लस ट्रायल ऑफर. आप ये ट्रायल ऑफर कभी भी दे सकते हो, फॉलो अप टू में भी दे सकते हो, फर्स्ट में दे सकते हो, डिपेंड्स. ठीक है. और कभी कभी आप रिपीट भी कर सकते हो. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, यू गेव द सेम ऑफर इन फर्स्ट फॉलो अप ईमेल, एंड थर्ड फॉलो अप ईमेल में आपने थोड़ा सा और डिस्काउंट करके दिया, और या फिर हो सकता है कि सेम ऑफर दे दिया. इट्स ओके. ऑलराइट. सो फॉलो अप 3 emails. ठीक है. सो फॉलो अप 3, you are going to drop your follow up 3 email 4 days after you send your follow up 2. ठीक है, आपने फॉलो अप 2 भेज लिया, अब 4 दिन बाद उसके आपको फॉलो अप 3 भेजना है. फॉर्मेट क्या रहेगा? ग्रीटिंग्स एंड ऑल, वही हर हर जगह ग्रीटिंग्स होगा, हेलो हाय. Bold value statements, like for example, you could directly relate your service with their growth, like thumbnails is equals to growth engine, or thumbnails is equals to click viewership, audience gaining and all. You could reframe, like not just looks but strategy, invite to experience with a risk free trial. You could also, if you are, if you are able to give them cost free of cost experience trial, then of course you can. Otherwise, if you think that it would be kind of risky for you, then what you can do is you can provide them a high discount value. ठीक है, high discount trial. All right. Push call text call to action, so you can push a little bit, not too much sound, don't sound too much pushy and salesy, like small push, like call to actions, keep the tone very friendly. So this is going to be the follow up 3. Now, last follow up. All right, soft close and final offer. So, follow up 4. So, this follow up, the last follow up, is going to get dropped by you 5 to 7 days after you send your follow up 3. आपने follow up 3 भेज लिया, अब उसके 5 से 7 दिन बाद आपको follow up 4 भेजना है, ठीक है, which is going to be your last follow up email. फॉर्मेट क्या रहेगा? एक्नॉलेज देयर बिजनेस, रीअफर्म द वैल्यू विद एम्पैथी, फाइनल ऑफर टू कनेक्ट, ट्रायल बेस्ड, हाई डिस्काउंट, लीव द डोर ओपन respectfully. See, you have to leave door open respectfully. Why? Because see, things could not be in your favor right now, but later on it could be. होता क्या है कभी कभार कि ये मेरे साथ भी एक दो बार हुआ है, एक बार हुआ है ऐसा, जिस कि मैंने ओवरऑल फॉलो ईमेल वगैरह भेज दिया, कोल्ड आउटरीच सब कुछ कर लिया, एंड मुझे 1 महीने बाद उसी पर्टिकुलर प्रोस्पेक्ट से मैसेज आया दैट वी नीड योर सर्विस राइट नाउ, सो यू नीड टू लीव अ गुड इम्प्रेशन, ठीक है, यू नीड टू लीव अ गुड योर योर वैल्यू, ठीक है, कि बाद में वो आपको अप्रोच कर सके, ठीक है, आपको एक अच्छा रेपो छोड़ना है। ऑलराइट, यू डोंट हैव टू एट द एंड ऐसा मत होना कि डेस्परेशन के चक्कर में आप कुछ भी बोले जा रहे हो, डोंट डू दैट। ऑलराइट, बी रिस्पेक्टफुल। ऑलराइट, ठीक है, सो वी डिस्कस्ड व्हाई फॉलो अप ईमेल वर्क्स। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू दी फॉलो अप स्ट्रेटेजी ओवरव्यू। सो ये एक सिंपल सा, एज अ टोल्ड यू, कि कितने दिन के गैप में भेजना है। डे 1 में कोल्ड आउटरीच आपका फर्स्ट ईमेल, डे 3 पे फॉलो अप 1, डे 6 पे फॉलो अप 2, डे 10 पे फॉलो अप 3 एंड डे 16 पे फाइनल फॉलो अप। एंड आई थिंक कि इट इज इनफ, इट इज अ ओवरऑल गुड स्ट्रक्चर दैट यू कुड फॉलो। ठीक है, वन मोर थिंग व्हाट यू कैन डू इज कि आप टाइमिंग चेंज कर सकते हो। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू डू आउटरीच लाइक इन द फर्स्ट शिफ्ट, लाइक 9 से 12 के बीच में आप करते हो सकता है, इट कुड बी पॉसिबल दैट, so this is going to be the overview. All right, now let's hop into follow-up email breakdowns with examples. ठीक है, so आप सारी चीजें रिलेट कर पाओगे। हमने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्ट्रक्चर देखा, यहाँ पे आपने देखा ये सब सारे स्ट्रक्चर थे ओवरऑल कि कैसे रहेगा फॉर्मेट वगैरह। नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स। ओके, सो फॉलो अप 1, रिमाइंडर प्लस restate value. Hey name, just following up. I would love to hear your thoughts on the sample I shared. Our thumbnails are crafted to increase clicks and visibility by aligning with YouTube's algorithm, and I would love to help you test that out with a low investment trial. Objective is going to be trigger their memories and reignite their curiosity. ठीक है? Now, follow up 2. Check in with soft call to action. Hey name, just checking in. Are you still interested in boosting your first impressions with click inducing thumbnails? Let me know if you're open for a quick call to try out a sample. Goal, confirming in their interest without putting them into too much pressure. ठीक है? Follow up 3, emotional reframe plus offer. Hey name, thumbnails are not just about looks, they're about strategy. With our low investment trial, you will experience with a high performing thumbnail can do. Let's chat. Goal, reframe importance plus push towards action. Small push. Okay. Now follow up 4, polite close. This is going to be your last follow up. Hey name, I know things get busy, totally understand, but if you are still open, I would love to create a trial thumbnail that could help your videos stand out. Either way, I appreciate your time. I would be here when you are ready. Goal, show some respect, close warm, and leave the door open. ठीक है, so this is going to be the thing. आपको समझ आ गया होगा लाइक वो अभी तक तो कि क्या हो रहा है। मेनली हम एक ही चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, जस्ट कहने का तरीका थोड़ा सा अलग हो जा रहा है, ठीक है। And let me share you few final tips. But before that, whatever I have said, if you will follow each and everything, I would be really on the word कि you are going to get way better responses. ठीक है, चीज़ों को शॉर्ट रखना. You don't have to make it too much lengthy. Summarize thing, you could take help from AI, because I myself have taken help from AI to make and draft the follow-up emails script. All right, you can do that. So final tips is going to be, you can space your follow-up with the days gap 2, 3, 4, 6. All right, keep it short, friendly and focused. शॉर्ट रखना है आपको, फ्रेंडली रखना है एंड फोकस्ड रखना है. फोकस्ड ऑन व्हाट? फोकस्ड ऑन always leading with value, not desperation. You don't have to get too much desperate. Okay, आपको बस क्या करना है कि आपको रीस्टेट करना है अपने वैल्यू को. ओके, हाईलाइट योर वैल्यू, मेक देम फील कि जो आप प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो उसके साथ दे आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गेट वर्क. आई मीन दे आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गेट द ग्रोथ. ठीक है, दिस इज द थिंग दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड. ऑलराइट, so steal this sequence and make it yours. Follow up the right way, and you will stop chasing and start converting. Okay. So if you want these templates as a downloadable PDF, check in the link in the description. Until next time, keep showing up. All right. All the best.